Girl, bye. Just give me the fucking list that I paid for. Hey, you guys. I'm doing a day in my life in a small business. So today is Monday, and it's actually my day off. And I want to show you guys what I do. So today I have a pretty busy day. I haven't eaten anything yet or started anything yet. So the first things first, I have a therapy appointment. I haven't seen my therapist in a minute, and she just called me. So I have a therapy appointment, and therapy is much needed for me because my mind be all over the place, and therapy kind of keeps me on track. And starting a business is really stressful. It's more stressful than it's. My therapist doesn't know that I'm starting a business because I haven't spoken to her in so long. So I'm about to call her right now. She just called me, but I was like, "You guys come first." I think. She's not answering. Hey there. Hey. I'm still single if you were wondering. Girl, no. Not with my track record. I have so much to catch you up on. So I just finished getting off the phone with my therapist, and we had a good session. I got a lot off my chest that I wanted to get off my chest. So now I'm gonna go get something to eat. I actually had to go to get my finger pricked at one. It's an allergy test. So one of my vision board goals, check out that video. Hopefully it's on this side, but check out the video on my vision board. Is to get my skin clear. So I'm actually seeing a neuropath, and she wanted me to take a hormone test and an allergy test. So at 1 o'clock I have to go there to get my finger pricked. And right now it's 12:09, so I'm gonna go get something to eat, and then after that I'm gonna get a food allergy test to see things that I'm allergic to that might be breaking me out. I didn't take the hormone test yet because it's damn near $300 to take, and I just don't feel like spending that kind of money, especially since I'm starting a business. It's just like, girl. So I'm gonna go get something to eat at Core Life Eatery. They have a lot of healthy options. I think I'm gonna eat some pad thai. I shouldn't be eating out this week because I need to save. So I want this to be my last day I'm eating out, and then this week's food is gonna be lentils and smoked turkey neck, okay? And sandwiches at work up until my paycheck. So that's the plan. So yeah.
CD17. Hey, growing pains, nothing else to do but blow string. Linking up with some dames, she want the whole team, so she settling for the games. Had the whole game till she started hating like lames. I ain't shocked though, that's what happens when you doing better than your ops though. Niggas press for pussy that been going around like clockwork. Watching every move, hope the doors you open, the locks work. I won't even knock first, middle of the winter, me and Nano in that Yoda. High talks, looking for some closure. I be lit till she coming over. She don't like the smell, I had to act like I was sober. Girl, it's sober, I got big plans, I ain't tryna walk that quicksand, I'm a goner. Always talking about some big plans and they dummy. Now they got that shoulda woulda face thinking of me. I got big plans, I ain't tryna walk that quicksand, I'm a goner. Always talking about some big plans and they dummy. Now they got that shoulda woulda face thinking of me. Damn, how they thinking? Oh, I was troubled by it. 40 on that trip, came back on that Greyhound, but we was humbled by it. Mister, how you not gon' let me perform? Cause I ain't sell the last ticket, made me had to reform. I'm reborn, should've opened for crit. Should've known something was up the way that life was a bitch. I'm back better with it, clever with it, got me a grip. I'm not the type, but if it's time is right, it's off of the hip.
I'm sorry, but that's weird as fuck to me. Like, what? I just finished getting my finger pricked for the allergy test. That shit was expensive. It was $140 for an allergy test. And she was like, so I have another test that I had to take. And she was like, um, do you want to do both the tests together and have a whole consultation about it? Or do you want to have a quick 30-minute consultation? And her 30-minute consultation is $60. Why do I need a consultation about the list of foods I'm allergic to? Like, girl, what? Like, and I don't need to, she said it's going to be 30 minutes for her to tell me how to go about the food in my diet. I'm like, girl, bye. Just give me the fucking list that I paid for. I don't need you to tell me how to eat, like what not to eat. It'll tell me what not to eat. And I don't need you to tell me for 30 minutes. Because her 15-minute consultation is $30. So basically she's just trying to see. She was just like, oh, do you want to do both the test or do you just want to do one test? And on the hormone test, you have to wait 3 weeks till you have to wait 3 weeks till after your first day of your period. And so I have to wait for my period to come on and then, start counting down to take that test. And I really don't want to take that test because it's expensive. What's up, you guys? So I'm currently in my office space, and I just realized I need to get a Swifter because I want to clean these floors and just stuff. But first thing first, I need to measure again. I measured before, and I went to Target and I got this carpet. But I realized that I'm measuring stuff wrong. I missed out on some stuff that I measured, and I wanted to remeasure some things. So
I ain't tryna walk that quick saying I'm a gunner. Always talking about some big plans and they dub me. Now they got that shoulda woulda face thinking of me. Damn, how they thinking of me? Oh, I was troubled by it. 40 on that trip, came back on that Greyhound, but we was humbled by it. Mister, how you not gon' let me perform? Cause I ain't sell the last ticket, made me had to reform. I'm reborn, shoulda opened for crit. Shoulda known something was up the way that life was a bitch. I'm back better with it, clever with it, got me a grip. I'm not the type, but if it's time is right, it's all for the hip. This all for those conversations, hot box in the whip. Hot sauce with the chips, broke as fuck, but needed sessions with bricks. Had somebody tell me I should change my plans and just quit. Never did, now the same people saying I'm it. I got big plans, I ain't tryna walk that quick saying I'm a gunner. Always talking about some big plans and they dub me. Now they got that shoulda woulda face thinking of me. I got big plans, I ain't tryna walk that quick saying I'm a gunner. Always talking about some big plans and they dub me. Now they got that shoulda woulda face thinking of me. Damn, how they thinking of me?
So I bought my Swifter and I'm about to Swift. If this carpet doesn't fit, I'm gonna have to return it. And don't nobody want to do that. I'm pretty sure this is a smart way to do this, but I have to figure that out yet. So. color. It's exactly what I wanted. I'm waiting for it to stop unrolling. It's pretty long. Oh my god, I think it's too big. And it's not even done rolling up. Yeah, it's too big. That's weird because I definitely measured. Girl, I measured incorrectly. My measuring game is not tight. So you know what that means? I have to return this big ass rug. That's what that means. Is this fucked up if I do this? Because I'm not about to kill myself. I won't go with it. Okay, that's bad. Girl, they gonna be pissed when I return this. Trying to tighten it. Now I gotta put it in my car.